Competitive gaming demands split-second precision. High refresh rate monitors, like the 144Hz ones, are crucial. They cut down on motion blur and tearing, giving players a smoother, more responsive experience. But to make the most of a 144Hz monitor, you need the right DisplayPort cable. Our today's video is about 5 best DisplayPort cables for 144Hz which are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Capture Visa Certified 8K DisplayPort Cable. The Capture 8K DisplayPort cable is certified by Visa and supports resolutions of up to 8K 60Hz, 5K 60Hz, and 4K 144Hz, providing exceptional clarity and detail. It enhances gaming experiences with dynamic HDR, HDCP 2.2, and ensures flawless audio pass-through for uncompressed channels at 7.1, 5.1, and 2.0. Designed with gamers in mind, Capture ensures an optimal gaming setup with its non-locking buckle design to prevent equipment damage when unplugging monitors and graphics cards. The cable features triple shielding for stable signal transmission, eliminating worries about artifacts and audio and video synchronization issues. Compatible with leading monitors and graphics cards, this DisplayPort cable is your key to seamless connectivity. Now our second product is Silkland DisplayPort Cable. The Silkland 16K DisplayPort Cable 2.1 brings forth an impressive range of capabilities, catering to users seeking top-tier performance. With support for resolutions up to 16K 60Hz, 8K 120Hz, and 4K 240Hz, it promises an unparalleled visual feast. Featuring dynamic HDR, HDCP 2.2, and DSC 1.2a, Silkland ensures vivid colors and intricate details, elevating the viewing experience to new heights. Attention, gaming enthusiasts! Prepare to be impressed by the Silkland 16K DisplayPort cable, your ultimate gaming companion. Boasting an 80 gigabits per second bandwidth, HBR3, and DSC 1.2a, it delivers a gaming experience like no other. Its anti-interference design, complete with a no-buckle port and groove design, guarantees both durability and effortless cable management. And our third product is Maxinar 8K DisplayPort Cable. Maxinar 8K DisplayPort Cable 1.4 supports 8K 60Hz, 4K 144Hz, and 1080p 240Hz for a visual feast. Ideal for Odyssey G9 CHG90, PC, laptop, and gaming monitors, this cable offers a bandwidth of 32.4 gigabits per second and features display stream compression in HDR10 for unparalleled image quality. Gamer-friendly and performance-driven, Maxinar ensures maximum gaming visual experience. With resolutions up to 8K 60Hz and 4K Ultra HD 120Hz, this cable is perfect for large games and Ultra HD video streaming. Its reliable anti-interference capability, using 28 AWG tin copper and triple layer shielding, ensures stable video and audio signals, making it the best choice for gaming screens. Now number 4, Hiwings DisplayPort 1.2 Cable. The Hiwings DisplayPort Cable 2.1 provides an unmatched visual experience with support for resolutions such as 16K 60Hz, 8K 120Hz, and 4K 240Hz. It offers a bandwidth of 80 gigabits per second along with HDCP DSC 1.2a and HDR10 FreeSync G-Sync compatibility, making it a revolutionary choice for PCs equipped with 3090 graphics. For avid gamers, Hiwings ensures an exceptional gaming journey with vivid colors and realistic details. The inclusion of dynamic HDR support enhances both contrast and realism, while the multi-stream transport technology simplifies connectivity, contributing to an immersive setup. And our last product is Cisco's DisplayPort Cable. The Cisco's DisplayPort Cable 1.4 epitomizes sleek connectivity with its ultra-slim design and certification, offering a seamless solution for various devices. Boasting support for resolutions up to 8K 60Hz, 4K 144Hz, and a high bandwidth of 32.4 gigabits per second, this cable is tailor-made for laptops, PCs, and monitors, delivering an immersive visual experience. Crafted with 30 AWG tin copper, it combines flexibility with robustness, ensuring stable signal transmission over time. This cable doesn't just prioritize performance, it also exudes sophistication with its 24K gold-plated DP connectors. These connectors not only guarantee stable heat dissipation but also feature a latch-free design, safeguarding equipment from potential damage during disconnection. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.